Which we are going to discuss is question number 3 from your workbook from the chapter recursion. And now it says a class REVSTR defines a recursive function to reverse a string and check whether it is a palindrome or not. So let me tell you what are palindromes. Palindromes are the strings which are same when they are read from beginning to end and from end to beginning. For example, madam. MADAM. If you read it from beginning to end, it is madam, and from end to beginning, it is also madam. So such strings are known as palindrome. So now let us start. The name of the class is REVSTR, and it has two instance variables, str and REVST. So this is how we'll make the program. First, you'll have to write the import statement for the package util, and then I have declared the class REVSTR, and after it I have declared the variable str and REVST. The data type is a string in the class as instance variables. Now in the member functions, the first function is void get str to accept a string. So this is the function void get str. In this I had made an object of the scanner class, and I have asked the user to enter the string, and I got the string stored in the variable str. Okay, this is what was said to be done in the function get str. Now we have a function void rec reverse in bracket. In the parameter list we have a integer type variable, and in this function you'll have to reverse the string using the recursive technique. Let us see how we'll do it. So this is the function I have written, void rec reverse, and I have taken a variable I, and using the recursive technique we'll have to reverse the string. So I am telling you what technique I have followed. See, whenever this function will be called, whenever this function will be called, we will pass the value of I as the length of the string -1. So let us take an example. Suppose the string is how. So what we will do is we will pass the value of I as 2. As the length of the string is 3, we will pass the value of I as 2, the last index. Now it says if the value of I is greater than equal 0, so then REVST will be equal to REVST plus str dot caret I. So as the value of I is 2, in the string REVST, the character at the index 2 will get added. So what will be the first character? First character will be W. Then again this function is called, and the value of I is decreased by 1. Now the value of I will become 1. Now 1 is also greater than 0. So now the character at the index 1 will get added in REVST. So the character at index 1 is O. Now again the value of I will get decreased by 1 and it will become 0. Now I is equal to 0. So again the character at the index 0 will get added in the string REVST. Now the character at 0 index is H. Now again the value of I, this will get decreased by 1, it will become -1, and this function, now this will not get operated. Now this if statement will not get executed. So you can see that if the value of str was HOW, so the value of REVST will become WOH. Hence the string got reversed. Okay. So now in the function void check, we will have to display the original string, its reverse, and to check whether the string is palindrome or not by invoking recursive function rec, rev, reverse, and then the function void check. In this, I had initialized the value of REVST as blank, and then I had called the function REC reverse and passed the length of the string str -1. So suppose if the length of the string is 5, then 5 minus 1, 4 will be passed. Okay. Now the next, we'll have to display both the strings in this function. So system.out.println The original string is str, so we'll write original string is str, s is capital, and then we'll display the reverse of the string, and the reverse of the string will get stored in the variable revst. So I'll write reverse of the string is in the variable revst. Now in this function we have to check whether it is a palindrome or not. So I have written if the value of str is equals to the revst by ignoring the cases. So I have used the function equals ignore case. So I have written if str dot equals ignore case revst, that means it is a palindrome string, otherwise it is not a palindrome string. Then I have made the main function. I have created the object of the class scanner, and I have created the object of the class, and with the help of the object I have called two functions. Get str, in which the user will be asked to enter the value of str, and then the function check, which will first display both the strings and then check whether it is a palindrome or not. Now the program is complete. Now we'll see how it will get executed. So now it is asking for and the string. So suppose I enter the string as hello. So the original string is hello, and the reverse of the string you can read it, and it is not a palindrome. Okay. Now again we'll execute it, and I'll type madam. Now the original string is madam, and the reverse of the original string madam is also madam, so it is a palindrome string. So I hope you would have understood how to make the program of reversing a particular word using the recursive technique. Thank you. If you have any problem, just give me a call or text me.